This is the ATOTO S8 Premium, and it's the Gen 2. This is the brand new update. It has the new Android. It has Android Auto, Apple Carplay. It has dual Bluetooth technology. It has a high definition screen, screen mirroring. It has GPS. This deck has everything you could possibly want on it. On top of that, it is putting out extremely good sound. I mean, that last deck I thought sounded good in here, but these Boss Audio speakers have maximized since I put these in here. And the adjustability on this is unreal. I'm telling you. Like, I'm telling you from experience. I've been living with this thing in here for like 2 to 3 weeks now, and I just cannot find any drawbacks to it. I love this. In fact, I would like them to send me another one, if at all possible, to put in the Z to replace the one that I put in there. But the adjustability on this thing is, I mean, when I first adjusted it, I thought it sounded good in here. Look at, you can fully adjust all this, plus up here is your frequency or whatever. For each one of those you can adjust. And on top of that, this is just the front speakers. Right there's the rear speakers. And then you have loudness, you have time correction, you can boost the rear speakers if you want to, and for time delay, you can bass boost, you can change your field of sound. There's bass filters. It's unreal. And I knew I was going to be filming this, so I left my cell phone in the house. Let me go get that. Anyways, this thing comes with an Encyclopedia Britannica. If you like reading material, this thing comes with it. I don't. So with Apple CarPlay, that's not my location, just so you know. With Apple CarPlay, you have maps, and then any other apps that you have that are compatible with Android Auto come up. Like, I have Spotify, and it's just nice. And this deck is extremely responsive. Let me look up the specs on this thing so I'll just go over the Amazon ad. I will say ATOTO sent me this deck for free. You are going to pay for this one, okay? This one, it's going to run you just under $400. But it honestly, if you want one that does everything, this is the one you want to get. So now I have it on screen mirroring. So anything I do on my phone is going to happen on here. Also, if I want to use this to control my phone, I can. And like, I can go to YouTube, my messenger. It's pretty dang sweet. Yeah, if I want to watch YouTube, I can watch YouTube. Of course, commercials, why not?
There's an explanation on this car, huh? There's been a lot going on with this thing over the last few weeks.